Instagram followers choose my outfits for a week, and here's how it went. It's currently the morning, and last night I posted the first stories of the first outfit. So now I'm gonna check Instagram and see what you guys chose for me to wear today. For bottoms, jeans won. It was almost half and half. The top, okay, so the off-the-shoulder top won by far. It got 74%. Then I did shoes, and Adidas won. 53% chose the silver rose necklace. Honestly, I think this is what I would choose myself out of each of the items. I'm gonna change it to the outfit, and I'll show you guys how it turned out. This is the completed outfit. First outfit was a success. The only thing is, since this is an off-the-shoulder top, as you guys can see right now, it doesn't like to stay off the shoulder. I'm gonna pick out some different outfit pieces for tomorrow's outfit. I'm kind of going for more of a laid-back vibe, like an everyday outfit, because this one is more dressy, just because I want to make it kind of realistic with what I normally wear. I found these shorts right here that would work with either of these tops. But the only problem is finding another pair of bottoms that could work with them. All I really have is high-waisted blue bottoms. We can't do dark green on green. The accessories, I'm either gonna do these two or these two since they kind of go together. And then now I have to figure out what I'm gonna do for shoes. Yesterday on one of my stories, I just wrote some text explaining basically everything I was doing. Just that I needed help with finding an outfit. And I think today I'll make a little video telling them again that I still need their help. Let's see. Oh, we need the box lights. Hold on, I gotta set this up. Recording. Hey guys, I just wanted to say thanks to everyone for voting that no. That did not work at all. The other problem is my phone's about to die, so this really is not working out. Liking voting on the outfit items so far, and I actually have another outfit for you guys to vote on, so if you want to, here you go. Now I'm going to get photos of everything and post it on Instagram. Which shirt? Left or right? Filter. Lastly, I just have to get the photos of the shoes and then we're done. All the photos are now posted for tomorrow's outfit. It's currently 6 o'clock, so I'll check in tomorrow morning and see what I'm gonna wear, and I'll talk to you guys then. Day 2! Alrighty, let's do this. The shirt I'm wearing is going to be the purpley striped shirt. It won by 62%. And then the bottoms are going to be the light denim shorts. I was kind of hoping I'd wear the gray shorts, but that's okay. For the accessories, the rose gold ones won by a big percentage, 75%. When I had originally posted this, only a few of you guys had voted, but it was 100% for left. I had a good feeling it would win. And then my shoes, Adidas won. But yeah, we have the outfit for today, so I'm gonna go change into that. Here's today's outfit. It's a great day-to-day outfit. It's casual but still cute. I'm wearing one of the necklaces in my jewelry line. So again, if you guys want to check it out, be sure to go to the link in the description box below. Oh, I forgot the sunglasses. Perfect, because it's really bright and sunny outside today. What I've been doing lately is posting the next day's outfit on my Insta story at night, and then I see the results in the morning. But I think what I'm gonna do is find the last 3 outfits for this video and post them all on my Insta story at once. I just figured I would get them all out there so I have the results and I don't have to worry about posting them each day. And then also, I don't know, not everyone may want to vote, so that way those who do want to vote can get their votes in and it'll all be good. So anyways, let's go find the last 3 outfits. I was so sure of our love. Starting at my clothing rack. Problem with the weather now is that it's so hot, so I can't do any type of layering. This could work, but I don't know, because it is a t-shirt. Is that too casual? Well, I'll have it as one of the options. Now I'm right back at the start. Halfway through a bottle, baby. Nothing's enough. What I'm gonna do for the next step is start off by picking out 2 tops for each of the 3 days. Easy, take it slow. We ended up just like before, so take it easy. This has been a lot lot harder than I thought it would be. Kind of hard to find variety and stuff that's similar at the same time. I spent like 10 minutes going through my closet. I think I found 3 options for the tops. Really don't know which 2 I should do out of these. And then I found these 2 tops that are kind of similar, but they're still different at the same time. And then I wanted to switch it up a little bit, so I got out a dress, and I actually have another dress in the washing machine. So once that comes out, then I'll be able to post these on my story. Now what I'm gonna do is find some bottoms that work with each of the tops, and I'll talk to you guys soon. We got a big variety of bottoms. Here's the pile. We have bottoms, either Adidas leggings or jeans, and then we have 2 different colors of shorts here. Now it's on to accessories. How to forget. Ooh, this one's harder. Hold on. Okay, so I can't get everything in the frame, so I think I'm gonna have to stand on a chair to get the photo. We've changed, and there's a storm. First post is up. It's getting me in trouble, baby, and I can't break away. Finished posting all the outfit options onto my Instagram story. I'll look at the results tomorrow morning to see the first outfit, and I'll wear that. And then for the other 2 days, I'll save the results. Now what I'm gonna do is I'm just gonna write thanks to everyone for voting, just so people know that the voting's over, because I've had a lot of outfits that people have voted on. Day 3. It's currently Thursday. I'm going to now see what you guys chose. For this one, I decided to change it up a little bit, and I thought that I would wear a dress. Okay, so this one was such a close tie. Like, it was literally almost half and half. 51% of you guys voted for the black dress, but thankfully we do have a winner. Sandals won by 65%. Feather necklace won. Oh, this is gonna be so cute. It's really cool to just see like what you guys choose. Here's how today's outfit turned out. I feel like this is a good Sunday outfit. Just something a little more fancy. Day 4. It's currently Friday. I saved it all yesterday. Outfit for day 4 is tied for the top. The poll will be up for 4 more hours. A few more people ended up voting, and the one on the right won. It still says 50-50, but there is 2 more people that voted for the one on the right. The Victoria's Secret pink shirt. For bottoms, the black jeans won. The polls for the hat were also very close, but the green hat won. For the sunglasses, ooh, this one was really close too. The white ones won. For shoes, the blue denim Converse won by a lot. I definitely would have chosen the white, like, knockoff Vans, especially with the green hat. It was really hard to find, like, all of the shoes and accessories and everything to go together with just the stuff I had. So I was kind of hoping that the green hat and the blue denim Converse would not be paired together, but they are. I think it might still work. I don't know. We'll see. I really like this outfit. The only thing is the hat and the shoes definitely do not go together because they are blue and green. Everything else in the outfit's black and white. I mean, it's fine, but like, I wouldn't put it together myself. I would either not do the hat or I would use the silver baseball cap instead. I just got back from Trader Joe's. I have to run some errands today, so I thought that this outfit would be perfect for doing that. So yeah, that was kind of like the vibe I was going for when I was choosing these outfits for you guys to pick from for this day. Just something more like I wear on a day-to-day basis, because the other outfits are a little more fancy. This outfit was a success. It is the very last day. The winner was the black off-the-shoulder top with white shorts and black sandals. Here's a little overview of it. I realized I forgot to have you guys vote on jewelry for this outfit, so I just wore my signature necklace because it's silver, so it goes with the shoes. You guys voted for it in another outfit, so I thought I would just put that on as well. The voting was really close between the white and the blue denim, and I really was hoping you guys would vote for white because that's definitely more my style. I've been really loving this outfit. Honestly, I think it's my favorite outfit out of all of them. I love how it's all black and white and silver. It's nice for warm weather. By the way, if you guys want to get this necklace, the link will be in the down box. That was the video. I really hope that you guys enjoyed seeing how the outfits turned out. If you haven't followed me on Instagram already, be sure to do so you don't miss out if I ever do something like this again. I love you all so much. I hope you have a wonderful day, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye!